Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade jelly nail polish. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a bottle of clear nail polish, some gel food coloring in your preferred shades, and a small mixing tool like a toothpick or a thin brush. Make sure your area is clean and well ventilated before you begin. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now, let's mix your custom jelly polish. Open your clear nail polish bottle and add just 2 to 3 drops of your chosen gel food coloring directly into it. Use your mixing tool to stir the polish very gently. The goal is to blend the color evenly without introducing too many air bubbles. If you want a deeper shade, add 1 more drop at a time until you reach your desired transparency and color. Before committing to your nails, it's wise to test your creation. Apply a thin coat of your newly mixed jelly polish to a swatch stick or even one of your nails. Let it dry completely, then observe the color and transparency. If it's too dark, add a few more drops of clear polish. If it's too light, carefully add 1 more drop of food coloring. This step ensures your perfect shade. Once you're happy with your jelly polish, ensure it's stored properly in an airtight bottle to prevent drying. For application, remember that jelly polish is all about sheer, buildable color. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats, allowing each layer to dry slightly before the next. Finally, seal your beautiful custom manicure with a clear top coat for extra shine and to help it last longer. Enjoy your unique look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.